Hi guys, I'm Raunak. The WWE Royal Rumble 2022 certainly lived up to the hype, with Brock Lesnar's fortunes taking a 180 shift for the better as the event concluded. Having lost the WWE Championship in the unfortunate fashion to Bobby Lashley, Brock Lesnar kept his relevance in the title scene alive by winning the 30-man Royal Rumble match. Bobby Lashley dethroned Brock Lesnar for the title after Universal Champion Roman Reigns interfered in the bout, and Brock Lesnar out first with the spear and then WWE title. This after the referee was accidentally knocked out and Paul Heyman betrayed his former ally to the turnhill, handing the belt to Roman Reigns, which would seal Brock Lesnar's fate. With Brock Lesnar all set to headline the main event at WrestleMania 38, things are certainly looking very interesting. In this video, we will look at 5 possible directions for Brock Lesnar following the WWE Royal Rumble 2022 pay-per-view. So let's get started without any delay. A tag team match pitting the babyface team of Brock Lesnar and Seth freaking Rollins against the heel champions Roman Reigns and Bobby Lashley will be epic, with both Seth freaking Rollins and Brock Lesnar having lost to Roman Reigns and Bobby Lashley respectively at the Royal Rumble 2022. WWE could book this match as befitting way for the Visionary and the Beast to have their revenge. This could feature as a special inter-promotional match either on WWE Raw or WWE SmackDown. It will undoubtedly be about the WWE Universe wouldn't wanna miss. The rivalry between Drew McIntyre and Brock Lesnar has certainly been one for the ages. The Scottish Warrior eliminated the Beast Incarnate at the 30-man Royal Rumble match in 2020 and also beat Brock Lesnar at WrestleMania that year for the WWE Championship. Brock Lesnar extracted a major revenge at the recently concluded Royal Rumble Premium Live event by eliminating Drew McIntyre to win the match. Having been so close to winning this year's Royal Rumble pay-per-view, Drew McIntyre could look to challenge Brock Lesnar for the latter's title opportunity at WrestleMania in the upcoming Elimination Chamber 2022 pay-per-view. The bout would undoubtedly be stupendous, much to delight of WWE Universe. Having lost to Bobby Lashley in the unfortunate circumstances at the Royal Rumble for his WWE Championship, Brock Lesnar will undoubtedly be fuming. Brock Lesnar could look to get his title back at WrestleMania 38 when he punched his ticket to the headline the Showcase of the Immortals by winning the Royal Rumble. If Bobby Lashley is still champion, then another match between these behemoths at WrestleMania will certainly be worth every cent of the WWE Universe. Roman Reigns interfered in Brock Lesnar's WWE title match against Bobby Lashley at the Royal Rumble 2022 pay-per-view, costing him the championship. In the process, Paul Heyman also betrayed Brock Lesnar when he sided with Roman Reigns. With that being said, Brock Lesnar had the last laugh at the end of the event by winning the Royal Rumble match and putting himself back in the contention to go after Roman Reigns. At WrestleMania 38, if Brock Lesnar does challenge Roman Reigns for the Universal Championship, their battle will undoubtedly be personal, with the former not only wanting to decimate Roman Reigns but also Paul Heyman. To make matters even more interesting at WrestleMania 38, Seth freaking Rollins could look to add his name to the Universal Championship picture. This seems more than a possibility as Roman Reigns retained his title against Seth freaking Rollins at the Royal Rumble after the latter won by disqualification. Roman Reigns locked Seth freaking Rollins in the refusing to let to despite Seth freaking Rollins grabbing the bottom rope. Once the referee completed his 5 count, Roman Reigns was disqualified. The champion then viciously assaulted Seth freaking Rollins with a chair, which undoubtedly still keeps this rivalry very hot. If Brock Lesnar does challenge Roman Reigns for the Universal title and Seth freaking Rollins is also in contention, one could see one of the best triple threat bouts ever on the grandest stage of them all, means WrestleMania. So guys, what do you think? Will Brock Lesnar challenge Roman Reigns or Bobby Lashley? Write down in the comments below. If you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And if you like this video, then leave a like. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be back with a new video very soon. Thank you.